Welcome back to my channel. I'm albino baddie, and I know what this is gonna be. Some of my name is some of my hair, but I just don't know what it's gonna be. I just took off my wig and I just took down like 2 braids, so this is my hair looking like it's curly and stuff. The video probably gonna be random. It's like the video random. This is my wig look like. Boy, I was ready to take this off. Hurry up and snatch this. I don't know what time. Let's see what time it is. I hurry up and snatch this wig off. When I said I was ready to take it off, I was ready to take it off. It's not even 3:41. I mean, it's not even 4 o'clock yet. Yeah, so I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm done taking out my hair and I'm gonna wash it. But I don't know if I'm washing in the shower or in the sink. That's the part I don't know yet. But yeah, I'm probably gonna wash it in the sink so y'all can see me wash my hair, because y'all can see me in the shower, you feel me? So yeah, I might just wash it in the sink, so yeah. But I'm gonna see y'all whenever I get done taking these braids up, because it's a lot. I mean, it's not really a lot. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know, really hard to tell because my hair is like growing and stuff. But all I know is like it's like glue and stuff. I can't really see it, but like I can see it and I can feel it. It's like, I mean, some of like this part sticky, this part sticky. Some of it's sticky, just not it's sticky. And I had to wash it. I was ready to take it out today. Not Friday, today's Thursday. I was ready to have my hair free on the weekend. You feel me? So yeah, I'm gonna take off my braids. I'm not gonna record the whole thing. This is like probably 5 or 10 minutes. Probably not even that. Probably like 2 minutes. Y'all can see me take it down anyway because you know, all my hair.
And I heard about you. Pigs like you. We all know that cat is speaking fish. When I spin that bed, play that nigga know what time it is. My ex crazy about me, better be ready to die. I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Left me to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Left me to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your man know if you don't, what's happening? Put that shit on the floor then. Y'all like to talk, put that shit on the floor then. All these imaginary smoke, all these we say, she say, you feel me? Let me know.
Okay, so I'm done with this braid. Now I'm gonna see y'all when I'm gonna take down my hair, because I feel like recording the rest. Okay, so I'm done taking down my hair. Y'all see it. So yeah, now I'm gonna take a shower and I'm gonna wash my hair. But I don't know. I guess I wash my hair in the sink. So yeah, I guess I don't know. Yeah, I really want to wash it in the shower, but I guess I wash in the sink. So just so y'all can see me washing and stuff. Okay, so I took out the bath, got my clothes on. And now I'm gonna wash my hair. Cause there's glue everywhere. I know y'all see that. Yeah, sticky and everything. I'm still washing. Okay, so now we're gonna wash my hair with the shampoo. So yeah. And the main part I really want to focus on is like the front first, and then I can do the back and stuff. The back's not that bad. I probably just need to comb it out and stuff. So yeah, get my comb. I don't know what comb I'm gonna use. I'm definitely gonna use my pink comb right now because I don't want to break. it. I want to use my big tooth comb. I can find out. I don't know where it's at. Somewhere in this drawer. It's spicy. Yeah, I know. I'm probably gonna use this to dry my hair quicker, maybe. Most likely because it takes too long for my hair to dry. Damn, I don't know where the comb went. Oh, found it. Okay, so I found my color. Okay, so I found my comb, my white comb, or clear, whatever color you want to call it. So yeah, y'all finna comb my hair. I'ma lift
my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Whatever it is, pray that it never hits you.
I've got a feeling love don't have to be the way you say it is.
Gotta be that way with me.
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight.
This ain't gonna be the first time that I do numbers on 2 crutches. Seen more plaques than toothbrushes. Until I'm at the pearly white gates, I gotta move something, do something. All meetings happen in person, so they can't prove nothing. Known her 8 years and still fuck her like a new husband. Trying to run a country like Putin one day, but who's rushing? Who's bluffing? For real. Who you hugging? Who you wanna be loving? I play 48 minutes on a torn meniscus. Who's subbing? 𝒂𝒂𝒛𝒐𝒏. Wanna see my niggas ball so bad I started up a league. Fuck with me, you niggas can't trouble me from the double tree. Step your sweets up. I get Oliver to set the beats up. 2021, I had to wet the streets up. Your girl was better in the morning like a slice of pizza. That's when I had to hit her with the nice to meet ya. You niggas think you doing damage, you just hyping me up. Face who? I could see a wall of y'all, all of y'all, and run straight through. Trust it's all fun and games until I wanna play too. Adios mio, the ice is frio on the Jesus. It's bringing me closer to God. I'm already close to the mob. I'm already known as the GOAT. Can try and get close, but you won't. I already packed the garage. None of these shits is a Dodge. None of this shit's a facade. None of this shit's a mirage. Thought I was seeing things when I was seeing green. 6GOD, CMB. Yes, sir.
Yeah, girl, I know you want her. She's a spice.
It's all like the glue and stuff.
Like
It's the glue.
she heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the
Nothing but glue. Something else. Just take most of it out as I can.
Say I'm a sweeter man.
And then probably get most of the soap and stuff.
I say, why don't we make an agreement, then we can. You know I wanna, girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. They too fly, that's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she work with the nana. She wanna give me the 𝒂𝒑𝒂𝒛𝒐𝒏. She say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement then we can't just while we're being friends? Girl, I know you want it. I know you want it. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. Ride the pipe like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my ends, oh. You're the one that's not pretend, cause I'm too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm too sprung. Yeah. I too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm so gone. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want it. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you want it. Yeah. She keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. I need you right here beside me. If you oblige me, I hang it up and I'll never come out of retirement. You should just sleep on it, you shouldn't doubt me. It would be different without me. What is it without me? Don't go do nothing without me. This is a blessing, mashallah, wallahi. I swear my life story's better than stories they telling about me. They got it twisted. Ride the pipe like a bike, make sure you're going the distance. And if he wasn't with it, then why were you with him? Maybe you just had to realize that knowing the difference can make all the difference. Oh. She wanna run me out of the night.
Set the tone when it's just me and you alone. Never lonely in the room. Getting slowly when you know me. Yeah, meditate. You can take me to a place where we can't be all alone. I let you hold me, cause you know me. Yeah. Lay your head on my pillow. Touch is making me feel wet. When I get around you, you lose it. You lose it. 'Cause I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. You make me wanna go deep, intimate, that you really inside. You deserve it in the line. Lay your head on my pillow, say, ooh, gotcha. When you touch, you know it's okay. When I get around you, I lose it.
I love.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, is blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know.
Okay, so now I'm finally done my hair. Washing my hair. But I'll probably do my hair later. I'm probably gonna put up at the party. I'll do it later because I don't know. I just feel like I'm doing it right now because I already eating and taking a nap because I'm really tired. I don't know why, but I'm just tired.
Sorry, they say conversation. Rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Yes, I got it. But my hair's still wet. But I got most of that stuff and stuff. So yeah. I'll probably finish the video like later on tonight. Probably. I don't know. But yeah, this the I'm not gonna say this end of the video. I'm done with the video for now because y'all really just eat and yeah, I'm chilling stuff. Get on the phone, my man, that's all I'm gonna do. Not really doing nothing else too special. So yeah. I don't know if I'm ending up the video now. I might end up the video now. Just in case I don't add nothing to the video. But yeah. I'm trying to get to y'all because it's sun. But we don't curtain on extra. Yeah, if y'all know how to be. I'm gonna put it back up. Let's get me sure I don't lose the okay, I gotta take my shit. Hold on.
Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell.
Boom. 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 I'm gonna put my hair in the ponytail. I don't care. If it's on the ponytail, I'll do it later on. Hey, hi. Tell people hi. Say hi. Y'all, she don't want to tell y'all hi. Yeah, she getting so big on me. I love her so much. Say bye. Say bye. Okay, it's right there. But I'm gonna go ahead and end up the video right now because I don't know if I'm like end up add to the video. I'm gonna do actually like do my hair. But I don't know, so I'm going to end up the video. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure I give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, comment, Instagram, TikTok, I love y'all so much. If you like this video, bye y'all.